Hi there, crafty friends. I'm Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and I want to welcome you to my crafty corner. If you're new here, I am so glad you stopped by. I'm a passionate paper crafter and the creator of the Cultivated Creativity program, a monthly DIY paper crafting kit designed to help you create stunning projects with ease and joy. Whether you're a seasoned stamper or just getting started, this program is your ticket to exploring new techniques, discovering beautiful designs, and experiencing the simple pleasure of creating something with your own hands. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So, for only $39.99 a month, you're going to receive supplies to create 4 cards and one special, not a card project. Detailed instructions and guidance to make your crafting experience stress free, a beautiful, creative, curated kit that feels like a gift to yourself every single month. But that's not all. Each kit centers around a featured stamp set, which, but that's not all. Wait, but that's not all. Each kit centers around a featured stamp set, which you can choose to add on or use what you already have. It's all about giving you that flexibility and making crafting fun. This month, I'm excited to share that we're featuring the Notes and Totes Stamp Set and Die Bundle by Stampin' Up! Now, here's a little sneak peek at what you'll be creating with this June 2025 kit. Here's what we're working on. Now, we have 4 beautifully designed cards that highlight the charm of this stamp set and one not a card project that's perfect for gifting or for keeping for yourself. Now, our projects include we do bring the design to the inside. Now, I'm not going to show you that because that is exclusive to our participants, but know that we do add that extra special touch by bringing those designs to the inside. So we've got this lovely, 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 lovely. And this one here, got a little technique going on this one. Now, we also, in our Not a Card project, we make sure that if there is a giftable or a treat of some sort, that that is included as well. So that is not typical of all paper crafting kits as well. Got a little fun fold and one more super cute fun fold as well. So little technique going on some of these as well. So I truly believe that crafting is just more than making pretty things. It's about taking time for yourself, finding that joy in the process, and connecting with a community of fellow crafters who help inspire and support one another. If you're ready to make this year your most creative summer, fall, year, right? I'd love for you to join the Cultivated Creativity program. Registration for our June kit closes June 20th while supplies last. I only have a few spots left, so don't wait. You can find all the details and sign up using the link in the description below. I also have a video that gives you an idea of what to expect in the kit itself in case you'd like a little more information. Thank you for spending some time with me today, and I can't wait to see you in the program and craft together. Until next time, keep crafting and spreading joy. Bye for now.